welcome back to my channel. This is the first video of my new series, Mystery Wash and Go Combo. Yeah. Okay, friends, so the reason we're doing this is because I don't know if you're new to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. But I have a ton of products, like right here. However, I'm not able to get through all these products. I'm not able to try all of these products. So me and my manager came up with a new series where she picks out my products and I just do a wash and go, and I don't know what the products are until the end of the video or until my hair is done. So she already actually picked out the products and put them into these jars, and I'm ready to do my wash day. So she labeled each thing with like a letter. So this is the shampoo, this is the deep conditioner, I have a leave-in, I have a cream, and I have a gel. Like I said, I have no idea what the hell these products are. I may be able to tell some of them by smell. I haven't smelled any of them. I'm not really trying to cheat. Like, that's not the goal of this. The goal of it is to see if I like something that I probably didn't think I would like before I just used it. You know what I mean? So I'm actually gonna do everything while I'm sitting here, even the shampoo and everything like that. So what I just went ahead and did was wet my hair. So here we go. It's in section, so friend, it's in section. All right, so we have the back section already out and about and done and stuff. And we have the shampoo, guys. So here we go. It looks like Cream of Nature, but I know it's not because it definitely don't smell like it. So let's go ahead and shampoo my hair with this. Like I said, my hair already got some water on it. And when I rate my shampoos, you guys, I rate my shampoos by slip and if I can detangle, because I really don't like the whole conditioning and then deep conditioning thing. So if I can cut out one of those steps, we in there. And also the cleaning properties for sure. You know, that's always for the shampoo. But I also want one with some good slip. Houston, I think this is Gucci. Definitely has a nice slip. Smells nice. Detangling with this is good. It seems to be cleaning my scalp pretty well. There's no tingling or nothing like that. This feels more moisturizing than anything. I don't know how it's gonna feel when I rinse it out, but I'm gonna rinse it out in a minute. But it feels good so far. I'm thinking it's a Main Choice shampoo, but I'm looking at them and I'm like, none of that smell like this. So I don't know, friend. All right, y'all, shampoo rinsed out. I got my wrapperoo on because I'm dripping. Now let's get into the deep conditioner. So here it is, friend. So this is the deep conditioner. It's really thick. It's not covered out. So it is a thick deep conditioner, whatever it is. This may be Orbe deep conditioner, but I don't know. It just smells like it could be, but girl, I don't know. So this is my hair all rinsed out, shampoo rinsed out. My hair feels very soft, I will say that much. It feels soft, it's detangled, it smells good. Now it's time for the deep conditioner. So I'm gonna use it. Gonna put a little bit. I told her to add extra deep conditioner because I just didn't know how much I needed, but I'm pretty sure I don't need all this. So we'll transfer it back to whatever container it came out of, friend. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this. Smooth going on. It's kind of melting into my hair. It's not like sitting on top. Looks nice and silky. Let me turn my wrapperoo on the other side. I want y'all to see my hair. So the deep conditioner is applied. And this is what it looks like. Looks moisturized, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put it all over my hair and then come back and show you guys and tell you guys my thoughts. Okay, deep conditioner has been added to my hair. This is what it looks like with the deep conditioner in. Okay, this looks like some good deep conditioner. So I'm gonna go ahead and sit under the dryer and then I'm gonna rinse it out, then come back and we're gonna start with the combination, the leave-in, the cream, and the gel. The leave-in, the cream, and the gel. So I just rinsed out the deep conditioner after sitting on the dryer for like 30 minutes or so. And I haven't added my leave-in conditioner because I was gonna talk to y'all about it. Here's the leave-in. This is what it look like. It's white. Smell test, smell test. Nope, don't know what it is. So let me go ahead and part my hair and section my hair off so we can get this leave-in on. Normally, I put my leave-in on in the shower. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna spray with some warm water. I'm gonna go ahead and add the leave-in conditioner. It's a kind of a thicker leave-in. It's creamy. It's creamy. Burn, I feel like I know what it says. This is Talia YG. It smells a little appley. Smells a little appley. I will say one thing, honey. Probably won't be able to do this challenge if you got coronavirus, honey, because since the smell go out the window, guess we can verify I don't have coronavirus, because, honey, I can smell all these products. Anyway, look at that. Leave-in activated. But as you can see, it's very white on my hair, and that is because what do we not do? Put the leave-in on in the shower. Normally, I come to this video and my hair is all like black, right? When I come for my killer combos, but now it's just sitting on top of my hair. This is because I have low porosity hair and you need to apply it in the shower. That's just what it is. Okay, y'all, so my leave-in is applied. My hair looks super moisturized. I definitely tell you that much. There's that leave-in. I'm feeling like a little bit goes a long way. Leave-in is good and applied and evenly distributed. So now we're gonna go in with the cream. Actually, I don't really use a lot of cream. I normally use like a custard. So the cream section gonna be a cream or a custard. I don't know what this is. It looks thick. It looks chunky. It kind of looks like a butter to me, honestly. What the hell, girl? This smells like a cake, like cake batter. Ooh, I don't know what this is, but I don't want to lie to it. I ain't gonna put too much, friend. Okay, so let me get some of that. It's literally like icing. This is literally icing, whatever it is. It smells like icing. A cake or something, girl. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna take this amount because I don't know what this is. I don't know how thick it is, and I'm already super moisturized. So let me go ahead and just apply that. Feels good going onto my hair. It feels very smooth and it feels like it's working with whatever leave-in this is. Okay, so everything feels pretty distributed and I feel like that cream kind of weighed it down a little bit in a good way. I like that. This looks good already. Let me find out. Let me find out this experiment, this new series gonna have me up in here with all the bomb products, because sometimes you don't even feel like your mind is biased towards things, which my mind is kind of biased towards things because I like things with more slip. So I tend to just choose things with more slip, but I ain't got no slip right now and this looks really good. So what I'm about to do is part my hair off in smaller sections. I don't know what gel we got here, girl, but I'm about to go ahead and just part it off and then clip this up. We're about to get into the gel. So now it's gel time. It looks a little liquidy. I don't know what this is. You could tell I don't even pick up nothing like this that's like running. It smells like a bunch of oils though. There's no good smell. It don't stink though, but it ain't no good scent. It's runny, but when you put your finger in it, I mean, it doesn't drip really quickly. So, I mean, I don't know, friend. I don't know what this is, okay? It's a gel, but I don't know what gel this is. I'm not recognizing the scent at all. So I'm just rub that into my hands and then apply. And I'm gonna just rake this through my hair. I'm not gonna do any type of shingling method. I'm just gonna rake it through my hair. It don't look horrible. I tell you that, it does not look horrible. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue putting gel on this entire section. And then I'm gonna come back and give you my thoughts on it so far. So one thing I will say is the gel is thin. So even though it is controlling my curls, I can tell it's not clumping my curls together. All right, friend. Here we are. We give you a 360. So here we are, the final results of my mystery wash and go combo. This is what we're looking like, friend. Now, this was the gel. I know I'm very harsh on gels, but this ain't it. Honestly, I was more impressed with this cream than I was with this gel. This gel right here Really didn't clump my curls together at all. They're a little tame, but clumped. No, they look very piecey, like it's gonna dry very, very poofy. What I'm about to do is sit under the dryer, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys my final results, and then we will see what products is what, because I don't even know. I still don't know. So I will see you guys in a little minute. I will say one thing though, I do have some clumps and stuff in the product selection. They don't seem to be mixing that well, but that doesn't always determine flakes on your hair, by the way. So let's try and we'll see. All right, you guys, so I am back and these are my final results. Now I have not fluffed my hair at all because I wanted to show you guys what it looked like before I did anything to it. Now, it definitely looks defined. It definitely looks defined, friend. However, it is a bit piecey. Not sure if it's gonna last that long. I'm not sure. But as you can see, my hair looks good though. It's shiny. It's just very piecey, and there is a little bit of frizz in between. So I do feel like when I stretch it out, it's gonna be nice and big. Hi guys. Okay guys, so I am back. And I love this wash and go. I wasn't expecting for my curls to last, like even through me fluffing it out and stuff. So the fact that they're still here, I'm shook. Okay y'all, so I finally got this wash and go combo, okay? Let me just say, I didn't get any of it right. I would have never paired all of this together, but here we are, friend, here we are. So I'm so excited for this because it's just, like, I never would have paired this together, and to know that I have this and it gives me these results, like, I'm kind of happy about the series. But anywho, the shampoo that I used for this is the Black is Beautiful shampoo, you guys. I have not tried this line. This was a good shampoo. It really helped with the detangling. Like I said, it is moisturizing. And it does say it's a hydrating shampoo, sis. It's moisturizing. It's not a cleansing one. You can detangle with this shampoo. Okay. So for the deep conditioner, I said it was the Orbe, but it wasn't the Orbe. You know, it was actually the Andre. So it's the Andre Walker TKO Ultimate Moisture Conditioner, you guys. And I got these mixed up because they both smell very high end. They're both high end, so that makes sense. I knew it was high end. We used that deep conditioner and it was good, y'all. It was moisturizing. I had no issues. The next thing that we used was a leave-in. I haven't used this leave-in before, but a little bit went a long way. And sis, I'm gonna need you to send me some more because I went a little ham. Because I didn't know I was using it. If I knew I was using it, I would have like preserved it a little bit more for him. But like, this right here is bomb. Girl, you is cutting up. Can we get everything in stock, please? If you don't know about Lovely Bees, it is Brianna. She actually has a YouTube channel. Check her out. Like, I love her. That's my friend, but she got a good leave-in. I'm just saying. It's really nice. So the next product that I used was a cream, and I have never tried this product either. This is the Moisture Love Style Cream, and I am impressed. I'm excited to try this product again, honestly. I'm really not mad at it. Like, I'm not a butter super cream person, but this is really good. Shout out to Moisture Love. Have you heard of them? I know y'all probably like, and what's the gel, sis? What the gel that you use? Okay, I kind of knew it had to be, I knew it had to be a very Caucasian brand because of the consistency. No shade, no tea. No shade and no tea. But my hair is popping, But it was the Briogeo Curl Charisma. It's the Frizz and Control Gel, y'all. It's super watery, but I mean, I don't know. Maybe it had an effect on the end result of this wash and go. Maybe it didn't. Who knows? But it was in the combo. Okay, I'm in love with this hair. Will I do this combo again? I'm pretty sure I wouldn't use this gel. I would probably want to see how it looked with another gel. Even though this is very pretty, I'm not sure how long it's gonna last. It doesn't have like a super hold on it. So I'd probably go with a more heavier gel or something like that. But overall, sis, this is still very beautiful. This is giving me a different outlook on wash and goes. I will say that. It's giving me variety, and I'm here for it. So I hope you guys really liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.